welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be alongside my friend, Connie. Hello! And to start with, we're going to be doing some shout outs. I'm going to shout out to Megan Harris's channel. She is so good. It is brilliant. I love it and I know you will too.
And I'm going to be shouting out to Darcy's Life. It's really cool even though she's just started.
Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so to start we need a hint of water. So we're just going to go. And literally, it is tiny. Okay, back over to our workstation. What ingredient will we do next? Let's wait and see. Okay, so we've got some lovely Choco Nussa, which you better know as Nutella. Okay, so we're going to put 1 scoop of this into here. Connie, can you be honest?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's put it. We got a massive scoop. It is humongous. Connie's
Can you get another spoon, please?
Yes, Connie's gone for the biggest scoop of the world.
Look, there's nothing much in it left. Wow.
I can find a big spoon.
Whoa.
And plop, in that goes. And we're going to give it a little mix around when it gets to the bottom. Plop.
Oh, okay.
And we'll show you what it looks like.
Yum.
It is not exactly what you would have for a normal breakfast or drink, but hey ho. Right, let's see what we're going to do next. We have Marmite. I'm not a big fan of Marmite just because it is really sticky. No, I just don't like sticky stuff. I can't. Oh no.
I can't have Marmite. I don't like it.
I mean, I do eat it on like toast, but like it's not my cup of tea. In it goes. It's just so sticky. Yeah. Come on.
Looks like
Gonna
golden
drop.
syrup.
It's gonna drop. Bam. And now, can you hold that?
I've never actually tasted Marmite.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Gonna mix it up. Man having Nutella and Marmite. Oh god.
I don't like Marmite.
It's just gonna be like all Nutella because like we had a massive dollop of Nutella in it.
Why am I
Okay.
still eating it? I don't know.
Next, we're gonna have.
It's very brown.
Yeah, it just looks like a brown mixture. So we're gonna try something that's not brown. Okay, let's see what we're gonna.
So now we're going to have some creamed horseradish sauce. Yum. Okay.
I'll go. Oh, that's disgusting. I don't want to. Oh, let's just get another spoon out. Okay, are you gonna do it or shall I do it? Show them it. Oh god, it's like porridge. I don't like porridge. I just. Oh, that looks. Ugh,
My God,
it's sick.
it smells worse.
Yeah, it does. We don't know. It's just.
Yeah, I wish you could smell this.
Oh, and it looks like something's been stuck in a bowl. It's just like we're dyeing it light brown. No, it's just a bit like light brownish now. Guys, you should like try this at home. It's so fun to do. We do it like all the time. We're just like, oh, let's do this. We're strange like that.
Let's do this every single day.
Oh my god, look, we just waste stuff from the cupboard. We're just like, oh, look at this, let's get this. We don't know what the half of this stuff is.
No.
Okay, right, what should we use next?
Sweet chili powder.
Yeah, we did, that was disgusting. Okay, what should we use next? Okay. Now we have some pickled gherkins with chili.
Pardon me.
Okay, let's just... It smells really weird. I'm gonna squash it. Oh, it stinks! I'm adding Nutella and gherkin. Not.
My teacher used to have a cup saying I love pickled gherkins.
Oh, I hate gherkins. It's gherkiny.
I used to.
You really can't see anything, like...
No, it's just.
Now it's just gone. It's just like purple still. I mean brown.
Well, oh,
I'm colourblind. Okay, let's see what we're...
I know what it does. Let's see what we're.
Yeah, it picks it out, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's see what mixture we're going to use next. So next we're going to be using...
Some washing up liquid by Tesco's. So,
We're just doing this because like it's really like...
it's quite dense.
Yeah, and it's really like together.
So,
So
we're gonna
liquid it up a bit.
liquid it up. Go.
Just squeeze it with that. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's made it really slimy.
That's fun. Make slime out of it. Oh, with pickled gherkin. Look.
I don't think I want to play with that. How is like the guys? I'm just gonna tell you, like the pickle button has pretty much dissolved. It's like not in there anymore.
Where is it?
It's completely gone. Yeah. Maybe it's just so disgusting now. Like it's just completely gone. Okay. What? Look. Oh, I got it all on me. Okay. Bye. What will we do next? Okay. So next we're gonna be using some orange squash by Sainsbury's. In it goes. Okay, oh god, look at it. It's actually got
It's like egg yolk.
Just tipped it out onto the surface. We'll clean that out after. But you can trust me now. It has got into a liquid.
It smells like very
Don't smell it. It looks like some diarrhea in my body. I can't. You see that colour there? It's like that. It's disgusting. Okay, let's just clean up that little juice that I just spilled. Mayonnaise. Connie, do the honours of putting it in this beautiful drink.
Okay.
That's enough. That's probably enough. We was like we're using it all. We're just gonna put those right down the sink. I think it'd actually show up if you drank this, so.
Yeah, I think it was bad.
I don't know, you can't exactly see it, it's just brown. Do you have any food dye? Do you have any food dye? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's check the cupboards. Okay, so we got some salt. Oh, that's so cool. We got some pepper. No, that's not. Ugh. Mixing that up and it's gonna make me sneeze. Connie, you put that on, I'll go get something else.
Yeah.
I just dropped the first thing I saw. And I saw this stuff. I think it's baking powder. And knowing baking powder should make our mixture right. Hopefully. Right, how much do you think we should put in, guys? Normally we only put a small bit in. Guys, it's fizzing!
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
It's rising, guys, it's
It's
rising.
rising. Try some more.
Can you see it's just slowly going up? No, it's not adding more because it will actually go up.
Come on, add a bit.
You shouldn't have done that.
Why?
Because you know how much this rises. Right, let's quickly get something else. Okay. I'll do it. I can't put the lid on this. Oh wait, I found it. Gravy granules. Okay, right. This stuff looks like poop. They look like birdseed. Whoa, I put like loads of that in. This has made it, guys, really cold. It's gross. This is actually making me feel a bit sick. You should smell it though. Okay, the next step. We're gonna do one more thing. Let's show you next. And we're gonna quickly use our herbs. So we got here cinnamon, paprika, and chili powder hot. Right, in goes the paprika.
Yum.
In goes the chili powder hot. Whoa, I put a lot of that in. There was some bit I went on the side, Connie. And I got a bit of cinnamon. And some of that. No, it stinks of cinnamon.
Ew.
And let's mix. So as the result of our Nutella start, scientifically proven, this has gotten a brown colour. So let's see some drinks. Okay, so this was the result of our disgusting drink, which had Nutella, Marmite, gherkins, some spices, and lots more.
And mayonnaise. Salt and pepper.
So, we hope you like this video. Make sure you smash that like button, press that big red juicy subscribe, and comment down below for any more videos that you want to see. Also, you can press that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a video. Okay, we hope you liked it. Bye!